Welcome to Science Meets Adventure, exploring nature's secret, where every journey uncovers the wonders hidden in our world. Today, we embark on a voyage to one of Canada's most mesmerizing natural marvels, Spotted Lake, also known as Kiluk, nestled in the heart of British Columbia's Similkameen Valley. As we soar above sweeping landscapes, the drone's eye reveals a tapestry of rugged hills, endless horizons, and the dazzling spectacle of Spotted Lake, a jewel set amid Canada's wild terrain. From the sky, Spotted Lake appears otherworldly. Its surface is dotted with countless pools, each shimmering with hues of blue, green, yellow, and even white. This patchwork isn't just beautiful, it's the product of fascinating ancient geological forces at work. To understand the magic behind Spotted Lake's colorful spots, we must first journey back through the ages, to the origins of the land itself. The Similkameen Valley, like much of British Columbia, is shaped by powerful geological processes. Millions of years ago, this region was sculpted by volcanic activity. Layers of igneous rock formed as molten material erupted and cooled, giving the valley its undulating contours. Over time, erosive forces, wind, water, and especially glaciers, carved out depressions, some of which became lakes. Spotted Lake rests in one such basin, its existence tied closely to the valley's volcanic past and glacial sculpting. But what truly sets Spotted Lake apart is its extraordinary chemistry. Unlike typical freshwater lakes, Spotted Lake is a saline lake, meaning its water contains high concentrations of dissolved minerals. Over thousands of years, underground springs and streams have carried minerals, magnesium sulfate, calcium, sodium sulfate, from deep within the earth into the lake. During the warm summer months, the sun's intense heat triggers rapid evaporation. As water dissipates, it leaves behind mineral-rich pools, each one forming a distinct spot, whose color depends on the concentration and type of minerals present. Magnesium sulfate, for example, produces striking blue-green hues, while calcium and sodium sulfate yield whites and yellows. Rainfall, temperature, and seasonal variations all influence the shape and shade of each spot. Quite literally, Spotted Lake changes its appearance from year to year, a living canvas painted by nature's hand. This remarkable process isn't just a visual phenomenon. It's a scientific lesson in geology, hydrology, and chemistry. The lake's mineral content is among the highest of any lake in the world, making it a rare and fragile ecosystem. In midsummer, when evaporation peaks, the spots are at their boldest, creating a spectacle that draws scientists, artists, and travelers alike. But Spotted Lake is more than a natural curiosity. For the Syilx people, the indigenous inhabitants of the Okanagan region, Kiluk is a sacred place. For centuries, they have revered the lake for its healing waters and spiritual significance. Ancient legends tell of its powers to cure ailments and restore balance, and rituals have long been performed on its shores. Even today, the lake is considered a site of cultural and ecological importance, protected and cherished by the Syilx community. Did you know that during World War I, minerals from Spotted Lake were harvested for munitions production? The magnesium sulfate and other salts played a role in manufacturing explosives. This intersection of natural wonder and human history adds another layer to the lake's story. In 2001, recognizing its cultural and environmental value, the land surrounding Spotted Lake was acquired by the Syilx Nation. Since then, efforts have focused on restoration and conservation, ensuring that the lake remains pristine for future generations. Today, the area is protected by fencing, and access to the lake itself is limited to preserve its delicate balance. Visitors are encouraged to admire its beauty from designated viewpoints along Highway 3, northwest of Osoyoos. If you're planning your own adventure to Spotted Lake, here's how to make the most of your visit. The best time to come is from late July to mid-August, when the summer sun has worked its magic and the spots are most vivid. Early morning and late afternoon are ideal for capturing the lake's colors, as the angle of sunlight enhances their brilliance. Bring binoculars or a camera. The panoramic view is unforgettable. While direct access to the lake isn't permitted, the lookout area offers excellent vantage points for photography and contemplation. Interpretive signs provide insight into the lake's geology and cultural history. For those who crave a deeper connection with nature, the surrounding valley offers opportunities for trekking along marked trails. Immerse yourself in the sage-scented air, watch for local wildlife like deer, eagles, and a diverse array of birds, and marvel at wildflowers that bloom in the summer. Adventurous souls can combine their trip with camping experiences at nearby provincial parks. Pitch a tent under the stars and let the tranquility of the valley envelop you. At dawn, the land is alive with the calls of native birds, and the gentle light reveals the contours of ancient hills. But discovery doesn't end with landscapes. The Similkameen and Okanagan regions are rich in cultural traditions and local flavors. Visit Indigenous-run art galleries to learn about sea elk's craftsmanship, or sample regional cuisine at nearby towns. Try wild berry jams, local honey, and wines made from valley-grown grapes. Each bite and sip is a taste of the land's bounty. For ecotourists and nature lovers, Spotted Lake is a gateway to understanding the fragile balance of saline lakes worldwide. Observe how plant life adapts to mineral-rich soils, and notice the resilience of animals that thrive in this unique habitat. The region's flora includes drought-resistant sagebrush, fragrant wildflowers, and hardy grasses, all vital to local ecosystems. Maps and guides are available at visitor centers in Osiyus, providing context for your journey. Interactive displays help you visualize the region's volcanic history, glacial movements, and the lake's ongoing evolution. Virtual or augmented reality experiences allow you to walk the lake's perimeter and examine its spots up close, all while respecting conservation efforts. As you stand before Spotted Lake, let its colors and silence inspire you. This is not just a place to see, it's a place to feel, to wonder, and to reflect on the intricate connections between earth, water, and life. The lake reminds us that nature's greatest mysteries often lie in the details, waiting for curious minds to explore. Before you leave, take a moment to appreciate the efforts of those who protect Spotted Lake. From indigenous communities to scientists and conservationists, every visit is a vote for preservation, a step toward honoring both the natural world and the cultures that cherish it. If this journey sparked your curiosity and sense of adventure, join us at Science Meets Adventure, exploring nature's secret. Like, share, and subscribe to our channel, and together, let's continue unveiling the wonders and mysteries of our natural world. Every discovery is a new beginning. Stay curious, stay inspired, and keep exploring.